In this tutorial video, we'll learn how to create representations for a part model. As an exercise, we'll make a model for left-hand side and right-hand side axle holder you can see on the screen. Let's start by creating a new representation to the parts feature tree. Activate Representations and from the context menu, choose Add Representation. Now the part has two different representations, which we can rename to make it easier to work with them. Choose the first representation and from the context menu, choose Rename. Name the first one as left. Do the same for the second representation, but name it right. The right-hand side axle hanger is a mirror image of the left-hand side hanger you can see on the screen. We will mirror the part in the right representation. Activate the right representation from the feature tree by double-clicking it, or from the context menu by choosing Activate. Make the auxiliary planes visible to make it easier to mirror the part. From the toolbar, choose Mirror. Choose lateral YZ plane as the planar face. The program asks if you want to save the original geometry. Unselect the box and press OK. The left-hand side hanger was transformed to right-hand side hanger. Save the model and check that the representations work in the way you want. Activate the left representation. The mirroring we just made is now hidden in the feature tree and the model in the window is left-hand side hanger. Then activate the right representation. Now the mirroring is visible again and the model in the window is right-hand side hanger.